Hello, first grade friends, and I'm back with our vocabulary day 2 lesson. In our review of our words from yesterday, our first word was memory, and memory is something that you remember from the past. And our other word we learned yesterday is independent, and independent means able to do on your own without any help. So those are our 2 review words. If you remember, our vocabulary words are based on the book we read the week before. And last week we read this book, When I Was Little. And so we are going to open up to the part of the story where she's talking about baby food. And in this part of the story, it says, when I was little, I ate goo and yucky stuff. Now I eat pizza and noodles and fruit and Cheetos. And so it's saying that when she was little, she ate baby food and yucky stuff. And that word yucky leads us into our first vocabulary word today. Last week, we talked a little bit about synonyms. Synonyms are words that mean the same thing, but are different words. So our synonym for yucky is disgusting. So disgusting means yucky. When something is disgusting, it is nasty or very unpleasant. And so here is a picture of some trash, and it looks pretty disgusting. I agree. All right, we are going to play a game called Disgusting or Not. And when we play this game, I'm going to give you an example of something, and then you are going to decide, is it disgusting or not disgusting? So we're going to do an example on here, and then you'll have some other ones to do on your template. Our first one is eating a bowl of fried worms. Is that disgusting or not disgusting, and why do you think that? So eating a bowl of fried worms is disgusting because eating worms at all is disgusting. Worms are not food for people. That's how I would answer it. I want you to think about how you're going to answer it. Now, we read that part in the book where it talked about first the disgusting things that she ate. But then on the next page, it says, now I eat pizza and noodles and fruit and Cheetos. And she thinks those things are pretty delicious. So our next vocabulary word is going to be a synonym or another word you could use for delicious. This is a fancy word for delicious. It's scrumptious. And scrumptious means tasty or delicious. Scrumptious foods taste and smell yummy. And so there is a picture of scrumptious foods. And the question that you are going to be answering on your template for scrumptious is, what do you think tastes or smells scrumptious? I think that steak on the grill smells and tastes scrumptious because it's juicy and salty and everything about it is amazing. I look forward to hearing your answers.